Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law. Please subscribe to our channel. When we talk about alimony, the question is often raised, if I file, do I waive the alimony? Or if the other side files, what's the interplay between who files and who gets alimony? And I'll tell you, essentially, it's a four-letter word that rhymes with hero, okay? It's zero interplay. There really isn't, because alimony isn't based on who files or who doesn't file. Alimony is really based on a couple of major factors and then some sub-factors. I mean, the major factors you're going to look at for alimony is how long are the parties married? What is the respective income between the parties? And is there disposable assets available to pay alimony? That's really the essence of what you're looking at. Who files first or not, that doesn't really control whether there's alimony. Now, having said that, it may control the narrative before the court. In other words, one person may be able to, if he files first, may be able to set forth their version of the facts to tell the court why alimony is needed or is not needed. So, for example, if one party was trying to say that alimony was needed, they may, in filing first, indicate to the court that we have a lot of expenses, we have a sick child, this person ran away, took all the money, cleaned out all the accounts, isn't supporting us, it's a long-term marriage, etc., etc. In that same scenario, the other person who wants to avoid alimony may say that I don't want to pay alimony because I gave some significant support, only to learn that it's not going to the household, it's going to support a drug addict or an alcohol habit that the person has, or it's going to, be spent on a boyfriend, or it's been squandered away at the casino. In other words, whoever gets to the court first will be able to control that narrative, at least in the beginning. Ultimately, if the court has two opposing points of view, the court's going to set up an evidentiary hearing to determine whether there should be alimony, and if so, how much. And that becomes significant. But whether a person files first, that in and of itself does not determine whether or not a person gets alimony. If you have questions about that, reach out, and we'll be glad to help you out.